Welcome to visualsmarket.com. We are a multimedia company aimed at serving you with products, services, and information for content creators, small businesses, and entrepreneurs worldwide. Today's video is on the ultimate guide to Microsoft Ads, everything you need to know. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and get our information out to more people. We greatly appreciate it. Now, let's dig in. This ultimate guide will provide you with everything you need to know about Microsoft Ads, from setting up campaigns to optimizing your ad strategies. You will learn how to target the right audience, create compelling ads, and analyze your results. With this comprehensive guide, you will be able to maximize your return on investment and get the most out of your Microsoft Ads campaigns. Microsoft Ads is an advertising platform that enables you to create targeted mobile ads for Android and iOS users. It allows you to choose between different ad placements such as the app home screen, the app drawer, or a banner ad. Microsoft Ads is a program that connects advertisers with users through mobile apps. The software, which connects to a publisher's mobile app, displays ads to users inside the app. Microsoft Ads is a tool that can help you connect with your target audience and gain a better understanding of how your messaging affects their behavior. You can also set up campaigns to drive traffic to your app, track user engagement, see which push notifications are most effective, and understand which features are the most popular among your audience. Once you have the data you need, you can make adjustments to your campaigns to boost engagement and improve outcomes. With the right strategy, you can use Microsoft Ads to build a stronger user base. You can use these ads to direct users to your app or website, help them discover new features, and get feedback while they play your game. By using these features, you can direct users to your app, increase retention, and gain valuable data that will help you improve your app. Tags are used for creating custom audience segments. Ads are tied to identities. Audience, the group of users that you want to target with your message. Segment, a group of users that you want to target with your message. Link, a clickable link that you can use to direct users to a specific page from inside your app. You can use links to lead users to your app's Play Store page, help users find directions to your business, or provide customer support. Thumbnail, a small preview image that is displayed next to ads at the top of your app screen. In stretched mode, your thumbnail will be stretched to fit the screen, making it easier for users to tap the image to interact with your ads. You can use interstitial ads to increase user engagement by requiring users to watch your ad or act before they can exit your app. Know your audience. Before you create your first Microsoft Ads campaign, you need to identify who your target audience is. This is critical as you want to engage with users who are most likely to convert. Be informative. Users will quickly lose interest in your app if they feel like they are not getting useful information from it. You need to provide users with clear messages and details about the game so that they can make informed decisions about playing. It should provide a detailed overview of the app, including information such as the app's core functionality and features. As you create your campaigns, you will want to map out the goals and strategies of your Microsoft Ads campaigns. This will allow you to identify the best possible strategies for driving user engagement and conversion. Next, you will want to create a strategy for how you will be distributing your ads and how you will be measuring their performance. What combination of placements and ad types will be most effective at driving engagement for your target audience? You will also want to consider the ad creative of your campaign. Before you even start testing your first Microsoft Ads campaign, you need to perform a campaign audit. With this plan, you will be able to optimize your Microsoft Ads strategy, leading to more effective campaigns, higher engagement, higher conversion rates, and higher ROI from your investment. Microsoft Ads is an effective tool for driving traffic to your app and helping you gain a better understanding of the behavior of your users. And for staying this long, we encourage our audience to check out clickdesigns. Create beautiful, professional graphics in minutes. One-time payment, no monthly fees. Link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If you received any value, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, go to visualsmarket.com for more products, services, and information.